चलाना जब जोर कोई तू मेरे पास आ गई है मैं तेरे पास आ गया प्यासी है तेरी सांसें प्यासी है मेरी सांसें उस पे बरसात है उस पे बरसात है पहला हाय पहला तेरा मेरा प्यार हाय पहला तेरा मेरा प्यार रुक सी
Hi, I'm starting with this moisturizer which makes me feel very better and hydrated. I feel my skin so soft after this application. After that, I'm using Huda Beauty primer, as you can see. Just apply on your laugh lines, under your eye, and anywhere you want. Now I'm using Vaseline on my lips to make more softer. I'm using Fit Me foundation shade number 115, very little amount, as you can see. Just tap it very little on your face as I'm applying it. Use beauty blender to spread it all over as I am doing it. Can you see my skin? This foundation is too amazing, I must say. I love Fit Me foundations. All the shades are very nice. It's totally blendable and it's get merged into my skin. Never it has given patchy look on my skin, never. This is amazing. Very light, not very high coverage, but a natural look. I'm using this Maybelline concealer. As you all know, this is Age Rewinder concealer. I'm giving it highlight also under my eye, forehead, and on those jaw lines. Just blend it well with your beauty blender. It is also so very amazing, I must say this. This is amazing, an amazing concealer. It acts as a highlighter also. Yes. Now to contour my nose, because I have got a broader nose, so we will contour it now. I will be using LA Girl contouring stick. It is also very amazing, blendable and merged into your skin. You can just apply on your nose and just spread it all over, first with brush, as I am doing it. And then with beauty blender. Wow, what an amazing results it gives. Amazing it is. Now to highlight those portions of your face, to hide your nose, little to the little pointer look, to give it little pointed nose. I'm doing it. Blend it. Now a loose powder which I have used from Krylon. I will definitely give all the links of my beauty products which I have used. Now to jaw lines and my middle of the nose, under eye, properly to bake it, to set my all foundation and concealer which I have applied earlier. Now to set my all over face with the Maybelline compact powder. You can use your own shade. I will definitely give it a link in the description box. Now dust all over your face the excess powder which we have applied earlier for baking. It will give a very, very clear arc jawline to your face and on your nose. So my base is set now. I will contour again with the powder base. I'm using your sugar product. It's very nice and blendable again into your skin. Just blend it and blend it so that it gives a sensuous look, a clear arc look. All over your forehead if it is broad, otherwise don't go for it. But to give a very slimmer face, we have to use it. Now on the nose with a small brush, fluffy brush, and I will blend it with the same brush again. See how I am contouring it again with powder. Blend it all over so that there is no clear line on your face. It should give natural look. Can you see this? Can you see the fabulous base of my skin? How it has got set? I'm happy. It's not patchy at all because I've applied very little foundation all over my skin. But you can apply one more layer if you want to, overdo, or you have some more pigmentation and all. Now applying blusher. It's a local brand actually. Now eyebrows. I have given full video on my eyebrows. लिंक बटन आपको मिल जाएगा एंड और आई बटन पे भी आपको मिल जाएगा. कैन यू सी माई आईब्रोज? क्लियर आर्क आईब्रोज. मैंने इस पर एक अलग से वीडियो बना रखी है, मैं आपको शेयर करूँगी. Now again some loose powder under your eye because you are starting your eye makeup. Now we will use a very light color for transition. This is my transition color, the lightest color. Blend it inwards and outwards as I am doing it. Little maroonish color just to the start of your eye, the corner of your eye, and just blend it there. Now blend, blend and blend. Blending is a key of a good eye makeup. Yes guys, I'm telling you this. जितना आप blend करेंगे उतनी आपकी eyes सुंदर लगेंगी, पैची नहीं लगेंगी. Now you have to take a darker color, that is more burgundy color, and again I am blending it on the outer corner of my eyes, as you can see. Oops. ये जो आपने पाउडर नीचे डस्ट किया है, अगर हमारा थोड़ा सा भी नीचे आई शेडो गिरता है तो वो सारा हट जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लूज पाउडर. सो ऑलवेज अप्लाई दिस लूज पाउडर अंडर योर आई अगर आपने बेस पहले लगाया है, सो दैट आपका फाउंडेशन ख़राब नहीं हो. नाउ blend it and blend it. Now the black color, very little, to give it a sensuous look on the outer corner of your eye, and just blend it. Don't take it all over again on your eye lid. Just blend it the outer corner as I am doing it. Now take a brush and just blend it now all over. एक आप क्लियर नीट ब्रश लीजिए जिससे आप नया तरीके से उसको पूरा ब्लेंड करिए ताकि वो पैची लुक ना दें. नाउ आई एम यूजिंग दिस मास्टर क्रोम हाइलाइटर फ्रॉम मेबेलिन अगेन, जो हाइलाइटर का भी काम करता है एंड आई मेकअप में भी आप इसको यूज़ करते हैं. Apply some white glitter on the inner corner of your eyes and just dust off the excess powder and the eyeshadow if it is on your face. Just dust off everything now. Now use some highlighter on your brow bone as I am doing it to give a very clear arc. Little blendable eyeshadow should be there, so please blend and blend the outer corner again so that it merge all over on your lid. How it is very beautiful it is. Now some eyeliner. Yes, liquid eyeliner I've used here. You can use a gel liner also. Some mascara on the top. For eye, mascara is must. Without mascara, no eye makeup has been complete. How it is? Sensational. नाउ हम ऐसे ही अंडर आई में भी हम इसको ब्लेंड करेंगे. पहले हम लाइटर कलर लेंगे, फिर थोड़ा सा डार्कर कलर लेंगे, देन फिर डार्कर कलर लेंगे, फिर लास्ट में हम ब्लैक से इसको थोड़ा ब्लेंड करेंगे. अंडर आई ब्लेंड करने से वही सेम शेड हमारी आईज़ को बहुत बड़ा दिखाता है. हमारी आईज़ बहुत बिग लगती हैं, बड़ी लगती हैं. मेरी आईज़ बहुत छोटी हैं आलमंड की तरह, बट वो बड़ी लगती हैं बिकॉज ऑफ जस्ट दिस हैक. नाउ लिपस्टिक आई एम यूजिंग हेयर नायका शेड. आई विल गिव यू द शेड नंबर. सॉरी, इट्स हुडा ब्यूटी. ओह, मैंने लास्ट में नायका यूज़ किया था. आई एम सो सॉरी गाइज. दिस इज़ हुडा ब्यूटी. आई विल गिव यू द शेड नंबर डेफिनेटली. दिस इज़ अ ग्लॉस जो लैक्मे का है, because I love glossy lipsticks. Now eyelashes on top is my favorite. I'm using some concealer actually, the cream concealer instead of that white pencil. I have white pencil, but this is a hack for you guys. This is a great hack. अगर आप लोगों के पास white pencil नहीं है तो आप ये लगा सकते हैं, आप कंसीलर लगा सकते हैं ब्रश की हेल्प से. Now mascara, which is must and must. This is Wet n Wild mascara and love this mascara. So my